Hi, I'm Ollie Morton, European Sales Director at Avon Protection. I'm here today to talk about the PC50, which is Avon's entry-level mask optimised for correctional facility and law enforcement officers. PC50 builds on Avon's proven C50, of which we've sold approximately 2 million respirators. The key thing with this is it continues to have the flexible visor as seen on the C50 range, the 40mm port, and then also on top of that as well, it has electronics comms port at the front. On this, to make it for the correctional facility, we've changed the exhalation valve so it's now downwards facing. So as you exhale your breath, it's forced away from the visor and prevents misting. We've also removed the hydration system and changed the harness to this net harness you see here. This is the PC50. Thanks for listening.